Hello friends, Ajay Sehgal here, your life coach and a friend. We as life coaches are advised that rather than working on generic topics, it is best that we identify a niche category for ourselves and really go all out, do a lot of research, and then try and coach and help people in that particular niche category. So after completing my qualifications of life coaching, due to certain personal circumstances, I realized that a lot of people are working in categories of relationships and wellness and fitness, depending on what their individual backgrounds are and what their individual knowledges are. But my personal experiences recently made me realize that there is a very huge category which people generally do not talk about or are scared of talking, and that is mental health issues. Mental health challenges which people face, whether they realize or they do not realize. So I started working in the category of non-clinical mental health. I will not like to use the word depression here because depression is acute and depression is a result of some hugely traumatic events of life. So I will talk on a slightly more generic term, which is mental health challenges and issues. Friends, I found that mental pain is possibly less traumatic, but it is more common and also harder to bear. Non-clinical depression or non-clinical mental health is a normal reaction to painful events of life, whether it be physical, mental, or emotional. It can also be caused by certain medical conditions and medications. With NCD, the brain function remains normal. That is the good news. The bad news is that you can still suffer severe symptoms, but the cause is not a biological disorder of the brain. The further bad news is that if left untreated or if left unspoken about, it can cause severe depressional tendencies. Usually these imbalances are minor and can be easily remedied without medication. In some cases, severe stress that remains unresolved for a very long time can also create moderate chemical changes in our body and in our thought process, leading to depression. So in most of the cases, these are small minor issues which are not allowing us to go ahead and achieve the goals of our lives, to see our goals, our targets with more clarity, and we resort to medications, we resort going to psychiatrists, not that it is wrong to go to them. But trust me, with my experience and my experience of working with people internationally and nationally, I realize that most of the issues can be very easily resolved if you talk to somebody, if that somebody helps you to identify, accept certain changes, certain things in your lives, and to develop an action-oriented plan to move forward. And that is where we as life coaches come in. Specifically those life coaches who are working in the category of non-clinical mental health. Feelings of depression can be a completely normal reaction to traumatic events such as loss of a loved one or a sudden change in one's personal circumstance. Other common causes of non-clinical depression can include chronic stress, painful life events, unresolved childhood trauma, fluctuating female hormones, unhealthy thought patterns, emotional attitudes, and various physical illnesses. I will not go into statistics in India, but be rest assured that the statistics in India are alarming. And like the current coronavirus pandemic, the testing is very rare and unidentified. So what happens if these issues are left unresolved? Can turn into clinical and suicidal depression. Drug or alcohol addiction can increase. Will definitely increase the original cause of depression. Results in ruining your existing relationships, friendships. Will cause problems at work. Will make it very difficult to come out of illnesses. Will definitely affect your sleep and eating patterns, will lead to extreme fatigue, tiredness and loss of energy, will lead to difficulty in concentrating or making very clear and precise decisions, will definitely build up on chronic stress. So friends, as a life coach, I have to assure everybody that whatever you discuss with me and whatever your details are will always remain confidential with me. So assuring you on that fact, my contact details will come after this video, wherein you can contact me, my number, my WhatsApp number, my email ID. Kindly WhatsApp me your details or call me or mail me your ID, mail me your details, and I will revert back to you. Be rest assured that all the details of whatever you discuss with me will remain confidential forever. Thank you and take care of yourselves.